Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a clean with me video. I'm cleaning my Glam master bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is my master bedroom, and this particular day just didn't go to plan. This was actually 7 p.m. at night. I'd come home from being out to dinner, I was by myself, and I thought, oh my God, Michelle, you truly need to do something. Even though you're about to hop in this bed, you need to do something so you don't have to wake up to all this mess. I started by picking things up off the floor and attacking my dressing table. I had makeup, curling wands, hairspray and perfume everywhere that night, so I decided that I wanted to clean it all up, give it a fresh new look, so I woke up to my beautiful Hollywood mirror. Guys, I use this Method Daily Granite Cleaner on everything, especially my mirrored furniture. It is streak free and has a beautiful scented apple scent. I absolutely love my mirrored furniture, guys, but there is a downside. It forever needs cleaning. From fingerprints to dust, I need to be on top of it at all times. Who can relate to this little dilemma? Who has mirrored furniture like myself? And talking about mirrors, I wanted to share with you these adorable mirrors that I recently picked up from Spotlight Australia. Guys, I've been on the hunt for 2 mirrors to go above my nightstands on either side. But mirrors can be quite expensive, guys. I was so excited when I went to the register and they were marked down to just $20 each. I added to my nightstands these TK Maxx flowers, as well as these mirrored letters that are the initials of myself and my husband. I then started on my lac shelves from IKEA. I usually just remove the items from each shelf and clean each shelf individually. I then started on my bed. Now, because I'm filming this at night time, guys, I didn't strip the bed because in a couple of hours I actually jumped into it. But what I did here is I just took everything off and completely started again. Now, I have 2 doonas on my bed at the moment because it's currently winter. So I started with the first grey one. I then added my main doona. And this has this gorgeous Logan and Mason doona cover on it, and it has ruffled flowers as the design. Now, Logan and Mason here in Australia, guys, is a very expensive brand, but I was lucky that Spotlight were having a sale and I got this doona cover on clearance for just $30. It normally retailed at $199, guys, so I was very excited when I got that. Now, here I'm just adding my pillows. I then added my beautiful fake fur European cushions to the front. These are also from Spotlight, probably about a year ago. I then added to the front my adorable little leopard print cushions from TK Maxx. And I love how these cushions allow me to do my favourite thing of all and give them the karate chop look. And this room wouldn't be Shell without an eyelash, guys. I added my adorable little leopard print eyelash cushion from My Lash Design on Instagram to the front. I then added to the end of my bed my latest purchase from TK Maxx Australia, this absolutely stunning fake fur throw. I then got my trusty vacuum cleaner and gave my carpets a good deep clean. I absolutely love to clean my carpets, guys. Are you one of those people that enjoy seeing lines in your carpet? Because guess what? CHELLE definitely is. Once the carpets were completely done, I take this beautiful foam sanitizer, guys. It is my favourite by far. It has the scent Garden Breeze, and it's a foam that you just place over your carpet. And it dries within a matter of seconds, guys, but it leaves this room feeling so fresh and clean. And here is my completed clean master bedroom. Now I know you guys are going to say, CHELLE, but hey, you got into it in a couple of hours. I sure did. And I sure did mess it up again. But I love the fact that I was able to hop into a clean, crisp bedroom. It's amazing how your mind can change in an instant, guys. I came home from dinner, seeing this room when it was completely trashed. All I wanted to do was forget about it. But as soon as I got my willpower back and gave it a good makeover, I felt amazing, guys. I jumped in the shower, got in my favourite PJs, jumped into bed and watched my favourite Netflix. Guys, your bedroom should be your sanctuary. It should be your safe haven where you feel nice and relaxed. I love that I put my mind to it, gave my little room a complete clean down, and I feel so much more relaxed for it. Guys, I absolutely love glam decor, as you know, and I love how my room has a very glam touch. Guys, I so enjoy watching Clean With Me videos on YouTube. It's amazing how motivational they are. Guys, I hope I've inspired you as well by creating this video. There's nothing more better for the mind when you come into a clean room. My bed, guys, is from a store called Homemakers Furniture, and this beautiful fashion canvas is from TK Maxx Australia. To my little ghost chairs, I added these adorable ruffled cushions from AliExpress, and this cute little owl I recently picked up from 1825 Interiors. The Girl Boss sign, which seems to be a favourite by you all, is also from TK Maxx. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.